Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Marina, and today's video I'm going to be filming my power hour, and this is also in collab with Yesenia from Mommy Life and Pilar from The Busy Mom, and they both have beautiful homes and lots of videos about cleaning, so if you need any extra cleaning motivation, definitely go check them out. And I'm not going to make a list for this power hour because I'm only going to focus on one bedroom, and let me show you why.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so
Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here. It has been a little less than an hour, but I am a little under the weather. I usually clean her room a little better. There's still some things under the bed, but I'm just gonna have her get those herself. And then these two frozen frames we got from a friend. I think I'm gonna hang them up here. And we also got these hats, so I just gotta find a place for them for now. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and check out Yesenia's and Pilar's video. It is linked down below. Thank you. Bye.